Hi everyone, so today I am back with another video. I have not been back with another video in a very long time, but I've decided to start making YouTube videos again, which I am so excited about. If you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, then keep watching till the end of the video. I'll kind of talk about where I've been, a little bit of an update. But yes, I'm going to start making videos again. Hopefully, I will stay consistent with it. This video is going to be my everyday college makeup routine. So basically the same makeup that I do every day. I switch up the products a little bit sometimes, but this is pretty much the gist of it. If you like this video and you are new to my channel, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. Most of these products are drugstore, so super affordable. I'm in college, you're probably in college, I know how it goes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll go ahead and get into it. I am so excited right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just like talk through my makeup. Hopefully this won't be very long, but I find makeup tutorials that are over music to be very boring. I cut my hair a couple days ago. It's weird getting used to my shorter hair again. I had it cut like my junior year of high school, but that was a few years ago. It's a little I like to start with an oil. This is from Milani. It is the Prep and Brighten Rose face oil, but I just take a little bit and rub that in my cheeks and my nose and my forehead. I found this primer and foundation combo at my CVS near campus, and it's just from this brand pronounced Joe, I think. I don't know. I've never heard of them before, but this is their selfie ready hydrating primer, and then this like drop foundation. I put the primer on first. I really like this one. It makes my skin very glowy. And then I take the foundation, and it is like a little dropper thing, so I just click. This part's really fun to me. The sponge is brand new. It's so clean. I haven't used it yet. This is the Eco Tool sponge. It's literally my favorite one. What I like about this foundation is that it's like super natural looking, but it also just like covers really well. I should just leave it like this. I look so pale. Ew. Okay, so this is the foundation. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. This is my favorite drugstore concealer. It's like $5 I think from Ulta. It's a Catrice Liquid Camouflage. A really good dupe for Shape Tape. I like Shape Tape a lot, but it's like $25 and I use concealer every day, so adds up quickly. And then again, I like to kind of like let this, I like to let this sit on my face just for like a minute or two so it can like oxidize and the cover just a little bit better. Now I take the Maybelline Better Skin powder. I have used this powder for so long now. I think this is my third one. And I like to take my sponge on the little side and use this to set my concealer. I think it just looks the best. It's easy to do and I don't have to get out another brush. For bronzer, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I like this one a lot, especially when I'm pale because this one's really light. So I put this, what is this again? Jawline. And then I put this up on my forehead, my temples. So I'm not trying to contour my nose. I'm just gonna lightly add some color on the sides because I'm gonna put some highlight on my nose later. For blush, I'm using this Becca one. It's just a bright pink. The sticker with the shade on it fell off, but because it's spring, I'm gonna use like more pink colors instead of my usual Benefit blush. Eyebrows are still very important to me. Even on days where I don't wear any face makeup, I'll do my eyebrows and my mascara and that's it. Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. So I start by underlining my eyebrow and then I do the top and then just fill it in. And then I use whatever is left over on my brush towards the front of my eyebrow because that's where your eyebrow is supposed to be like lighter. Then I go in with this NYX eyebrow mascara and I just kind of run this over my eyebrows to set them in place and make them look a little bit more full. This is so much better. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette for my highlighter. I'm going to use this shadow right here. Don't know what it's called. I'm in love with this palette. I hardly ever do my eyeshadow anymore just because I don't like it on me unless I'm wearing fake eyelashes. So I'm gonna put this highlighter on my Cupid's bow and my nose. And then I also put a little bit on my eyes sometimes, just kind of rub the leftover. I'm gonna set this makeup with the Morphe setting spray. I'm a big fan of the James Charles palette. Gonna curl my eyelashes. Please. I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Extension Mascara. Lastly, I'm gonna put on some Aquaphor. I use this stuff 6 times a day. At least. I have these laying around everywhere. So this is my finished makeup. My classes start at 8 a.m. almost every single day, so I don't get up in the morning to do my makeup. I wait till halfway through the day and then I can sit down and do it. But I do usually do this almost every single day. I just kind of switch up my products a little bit. So that is it for my everyday makeup routine. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I keep playing with this hanger because I'm nervous. If you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, I'm terrible at making videos. As in, like, I was here one day, then I was gone, and then I came back. I really miss making videos. I have a lot of time. I only have like 3 hours of class a day, and so I was like, you know what? I thought I was gonna be really busy with college, but I really wanna start making videos again. I miss it. I don't know what kind I wanna make yet, so if you are a subscriber of mine and you have any ideas for me, comment them down below. I'm gonna do a dorm room tour, which I should have done so long ago. I might film a video with my roommate. I love her a lot. I really like being in college. I've had a really good time. I'm a freshman now, about to be a sophomore in a few weeks. I'm so ready for summer. I can't wait to make videos this summer. I'm going on a really big trip that'll be a lot of fun. I can get some good footage there. But yeah, I'm really excited to start making videos again. I hope you stick around. I hope you stay subscribed. I'm sorry that I keep coming back and forth and I'm a mess. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will talk to you hopefully very soon. Bye guys.